Hey everyone, welcome back. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon we are going to show you a walk around, startup, and a drive video on a gorgeous, fully restored 1969 Chevrolet Camaro. Beautiful light sky blue with the white hockey stick stripe. Iconic to what a 1969 Camaro looked like. Gorgeous car. The paint, body, and interior in this car have all been restored. 383 stroker engine underneath the hood. Automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, four-wheel disc brakes, so disc brakes on all four corners. Vintage air conditioning, cowl induction hood, front chin spoiler, American Racing torque thrust chrome wheels, BF Goodrich radial TA raised white letters on it. It's got the rear spoiler. The chrome bumpers front and rear are both new. The glass in the car was all replaced, and all the stainless trim around the windows has all been replaced as well. The mirrors, the door handles, the emblems, the sill plates, the full interior, the seat covers, the carpeting, headliner, sail panels, package tray, all that's been all done on this car already. You don't have to do it. Visors, dome light works, the console, the window cranks, the steering wheel, the radio, the kick panel speakers, the vintage air, the cluster. Looks like it has 465 miles on it since restoration. I bought the car out of Florida, so I don't know where it was built at, but that's where we bought the car. Doors open and shut very nice. Car's nice and straight, body lines are nice. Aluminum intake and carburetor. Looks like the upper and lower control arms, they're all been replaced. MSD ignitions, got a 6A box, MSD wires, nicely detailed engine compartment. It's got the hood insulator, nicely detailed inner fenders. Overall, just a great engine compartment. Right turn signal. Let's take this baby out for a cruise. Sounds great. Iconic muscle car right there, folks. 1969 Camaro, fully restored with all the good stuff. everybody wants the gas guzzling big block. Tell you what, I've had a lot of good running small blocks. Sounds like this one's pretty healthy too. There's your turn signal indicator, left and right, bright headlight indicator, your radio, your wipers. Lights work around your console. Gotta get them keys out of my back pocket. When I was looking for the keys for this car a little bit ago, I took them out of my pocket. Too fast, the hood just popped up. We'll make it to the turnaround spot. Man, this is a really nice car, runs nice, drives nice. Speedometer works, gas gauge works, the air conditioning works. Just an all-around gorgeous car. New dash pad in it appears.